Pepsi or Coke?
Um,
Coke.
yeah,
Okay. Timeless because of that? Or why do you think Coke or Pepsi?
Coke is just so iconic. I mean, it's associated with all over the world with U.S. brands, and actually, it's a good product too. So,
Absolutely. Absolutely. But I would say that its icon is also the shape of the bottle. Yeah.
oh yeah, for sure. And I love the way that they have used the shape of the bottle in their advertising. I mean, since
Yes, I love that. Yeah. I think the shape of the bottle is actually trademarked, I believe.